Have you ever wondered how solar panels convert sunlight into electricity? So today, let's dive into the exciting science behind solar energy and how it powers your home. Solar panels, also known as photovoltaic panels, are made up of many solar cells which convert sunlight into electricity. At the core of this process is the photovoltaic effect. When sunlight hits the solar cell, it excites the electrons inside the semiconductor material in the cell, which is silicon. So each solar cell consists of two layers of silicon. One is positively charged, one is negatively charged. When the sunlight hits the solar cell, it knocks off electrons from the negative side of the silicon, which creates current. These free electrons, which are displaced by the sunlight, are then captured via conductive metal plates on side of the solar cell. Then these electrons flow through wires, eventually generating DC or direct current. Now, since most homes use alternating current or AC, this DC current is then sent to an inverter, which converts the DC into AC. If your solar panels are generating more electricity than you can use, the same can be sent back to the grid, and you can earn electricity credits for the same. Solar energy is a clean, renewable resource which helps you save money and reduce your carbon footprint. For more details regarding the best solar solution for your needs, please click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us for more such videos.